In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email notifications from Microsoft Forms to multiple people using Power Automate on 2026. We'll build a simple automation that fires the moment someone submits your Microsoft form, grabs the details of that response, and emails the right people automatically. You'll need access to Microsoft Power Automate and the form you want to monitor, plus permission to send emails from your account. Start by opening Microsoft Power Automate in your browser and sign in. From the left-hand menu, choose Create. This is where we set up a new flow from scratch. Select Automated Cloud Flow. Give your flow a clear name so you can find it later, then search for and select the trigger called when a new response is submitted from Microsoft Forms. This trigger listens for new submissions on the form you specify. Choose Create to open the designer with your trigger in place. In the trigger card, use the Form ID dropdown to pick the form you want to watch. If you don't see it, make sure you have access to that form or refresh the list. Next, add a new step and choose the Microsoft Forms action called Get Response Details. The trigger only tells us that a response exists. This action retrieves the actual answers so you can use them in your message. Configure it by selecting the same form ID, then in the Response ID field, click into Dynamic Content and choose Response ID from the trigger. This links the two steps, so each new submission pulls its matching details. Now add your email action. Search for your mail connector. For example, Outlook's Send an Email v2. In the to box, type multiple recipient addresses separated by semicolons, or use a group or distribution list if your organization prefers that. You can also use CC or BCC. Add a clear subject, then build the body of the email. Click Dynamic Content to insert answers from Get Response Details, like the respondent's name, selections, or comments. If you want formatting, switch the body to HTML and add headings or line breaks for readability. When you're happy with it, select Save, then choose Test, use the manual option, and submit a sample response to your form. Watch the run details to confirm each step succeeded and verify that all intended recipients received the message. If something fails, double-check the selected form ID, confirm the response ID field uses dynamic content, and ensure your email connector is signed in and has permission. Finally, keep the flow turned on. That's it. Your form now emails multiple people automatically the moment a new response arrives.